Are you confused as to why I am making a video about Donald Trump's influence on the poker world? Well, it might seem weird, but whether you think Trump's presidency is good or not, there are a few reasons why I think that the new American president might have a positive impact on poker, both in the US and abroad. But first, I would like to mention that this is not a political video. I'm not even American, and so I have no personal investment in US politics. American voters have decided, and I am simply trying to establish what his presidency might mean for poker. So let's jump right into it. Unlike 6 previous US presidents, including Harry Truman, Richard Nixon, or Barack Obama, who have been confirmed as poker lovers, Donald Trump doesn't seem to have the time to play the game. But he has had involvement with it before.
The game is Texas Hold'em. Look at every situation as a challenge.
Donald Trump has owned casinos for decades and was said to have had the idea to host the first United States Poker Championships at his casino, the Taj Mahal in Atlantic City. Those days are long gone, but poker seems to have been a success for the casino owner. Could he try his luck again with hosting big poker events? Well, that does seem unlikely. But there are other ways poker could benefit from him being president. In fact, I see 2 main ways. The second one is the more important one, but even the first one is a good sign for the game. And that is because of some key appointments Trump has made. The most prominent one is Trump's vice president, J.D. Vance. When he was younger, he was an avid poker player. Vance wrote in his biography, Hillbilly Elegy, "Poker was in my blood." He made some money playing online poker in the early days and gave the money to his grandma for her rent. I doubt that he will have time to play much poker while being vice president of the US, but he probably still has a soft spot for the game. And then there is a second relevant appointment. Billy Long has been tasked with running the Internal Revenue Service's IRS. Long has been a long-standing, no pun intended, poker player. He even has his own hand and mop page, although he has only won just over $6,000 in live tournaments. But he is said to have played a lot of 1-2 games in his life. And then there is even a third poker player involved in Trump's administration. Frank Bisignano, who is due to run the Social Security Administration, played a virtual charity poker tournament in 2020 where he faced ex-tennis pro Boris Becker, among others. Why does all this matter? Well, because online poker is still only legal in a handful of US states. I don't think that legalizing the game will be Vance's or Trump's top priority. I mean, the world has bigger issues to worry about, but it might not be a bad thing for poker that they both have a poker past. But as I said, the second factor is more important, even though it doesn't directly have anything to do with poker. That is Trump's and his efficiency czar Elon Musk's penchant for cryptocurrency. They want to make the US the world capital of cryptocurrency. If they succeed, then other countries will naturally follow, and more people around the world might dabble in that. And where's the link to poker now? Well, online poker seems to become linked to cryptocurrency more and more. There is a new Asian site called MTT Sports that lets players use free rolls to win Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. And then there is Coin Poker. This site is growing fast around the world. Some influential figures believe that the site could even become the world leader in online poker, not least because even US players can play for real money, I mean real crypto money, on Coin Poker. If crypto becomes a bigger thing thanks to the US government's interventions, I could see this platform experience a real boom, especially because Coin Poker allows fun things like straddling. We're not there yet, but let's see what the next 4 years bring in terms of poker. And if you want to be ready to win money from all those recreational players who might be flogging to the online poker room soon, then you need to know how to exploit them. In this video here, I will tell you my 5 favorite exploits.